Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mobile King. Guys, today I am going to show you how you can remove Moto C Plus FRP lock just one click. So guys, you need just two file, and the file download link in my description. You can download here, and the file just 30 MB and nothing worry to download it. So guys, start before I say you, if you not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel because your subscription is my confidence. So don't be late. Just hit subscribe button. Let's start. So friend, this is the phone Motorola XT1721 model, and that phone has FRP lock. So I don't know its FRP lock Gmail ID which is synchronized previously. So guys, you just need two file, first tool and second FRP. So these two file link in my description, you can download here and extract it. Now you open tools and choose hash tool and open it. When the file is open, now you just select download agent and choose the FRP file which was you extract. So that's the FRP file, and open it. Now you choose that file, and now second choose scatter loading. You just click scatter loading and place this file. Now you connect your phone in that cable. I just show you in my camera. Now you just connect data cable with your phone, and your phone should be power off. And connect data cable and just click download button. Sorry, the phone is not connected. So you just remove your battery and put again. You just put remove your battery and connect again. Now you just connect data cable. When the data cable is connect, the process is start. Yes. Now the complete erasing process complete. So friend, now this phone is FRP lock remove, and you just disconnect your data cable and power on your phone. Guys, I just show you that phone where so friend, now the phone is start, and here needs some setting. You just setting your phone as your choice. So friend, this is the easy method to remove FRP lock this model phone, Motorola XT1721 model. So guys, now you just click setting and next, choose your language and start. Friend, here you choose new fresh setting, and here a option choose last option. So friend, now your phone is ready to use. So friend, this is the method. You just remove a happy lock this model phone, just one click. So guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel to update more videos. So please guys, I just request you, please subscribe my channel and like my video. So guys, see you again in another video. Till then, bye bye.